I am Sherry Derseweh. I'm a proud founder of Onpassive since 8/2/2018. What is in it for you? There is so much in it for you, I'm not sure I will even scratch the surface here. You will be more happier in all areas of your life. You will be less stressed. You will have more time to be with your family. You will have the money to not have to worry about how your bills will be paid for. You'll be able to stop telling your family and loved ones that you cannot get that or go on a vacation. You will not have to worry about how much money you spent and how you have to make it up at work. You can stay as long as you wish. You'll be able to make it to your kids' plays and sports events, as you will not have to work. You'll be able to have a car that doesn't break down. You'll be able to eat healthier and buy better things to put into your body. You will be able to help others, either with your time or with money or both. The most important thing is you will have your time back to share with those you love. A smile on your face will be connected to others in your family and will spread throughout in the world. As less stress, more time with family cannot be matched by anything. Love is truly what we all need now and moving forward. Onpassive is a beacon of hope. Onpassive uses AI, artificial intelligence, which is machine learning. It simply does the work for you. If you own a business, we can help your business grow and save you both time and money. We have all your problems solved here at Onpassive. Our portfolios help everyone and anyone. It will change the way we do things around the world. What is in it for you is to finally have both time and money. Start filling your dreams. It will also expand your thinking. Leave a dynasty for you and your family for generations to come. Come in and see in more details what is in it for you. You will be glad and blessed you did. Get back to the person who shared this with you. If you came across my video, get my link and become a founder. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get what is in it for you. Thank you so much, Ash Mafari and his wife and family, and all the tech team, and all the staff, and all that help. Thank you, Bill Musk, for all you do. God bless. Get what is in it for you filled here now.